disability. The milkman, the paperboy, evening TV. Did I get delivered here? Somebody tell me, please. This whole world's confusing me. Clouds as mean as you've ever seen. Ain't a bird who knows you're true. Then a little voice inside you whisper, don't sell your dreams so soon. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a heart, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a place of somebody who needs you. Everywhere you look, when you're lost out there and you're all alone, the God is waiting to carry you home. Everywhere you look, everywhere you
This is President Natalie Giglio calling to formally extend the invitation to the class of 2021's 10-year reunion. I hope to see you there.
Howdy. Logan and Megan's Farm Company. Oh, really? Oh, nice. Yo, Megan, we got invited to a 10-year reunion.
Woo, doggy!
I didn't even say it. Wait, it's fine. Yep. Sounds good. We're going to a reunion.
I don't want to go there with those peasants.
Zach and Sienna, you got a phone call?
What? We're getting out of here.
Yeah, hello? Yeah, just hold on a sec. Shut up! Yeah? Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, I think we can make it. Yeah, of course. Let me just write it down. 2 hours. Okay, thank you. Anthony!
Yeah?
We have a reunion in 2 hours.
I'm not putting the kids in the car.
What is this?
Oh my god! They gave us the wrong pizza again! I can't wait to call their freaking manager! 1 second, I gotta call. 1 second. Yeah, hello? We got a 10-year reunion to go to. Oh. Oh my gosh! Yo, we just escaped that.
Daniel?
Yo, Zach, big well.
Do you think they need me? That was like really last minute. Do you think we should go back?
Yeah.
Are you listening to me?
Yeah.
What did I just...
Great. But the corn, it looks awful. I mean, I
the
can't
corn,
even.
you can't help that.
No, that's it.
And you know what I did?
What?
I called corporate because I can't do it anymore.
I really don't want to be here.
Listen, you can leave in a little bit.
No,
Let me
I
stay
don't
for a
want to
while.
be here. I don't want to be here.
Thanks for coming. I really
Hey
appreciate it.
guys, is anybody hungry? 'Cause I have I have snacks. I have some books if you want any books. Like, look
Wow,
it.
oh wow, oh.
I got the whole
Cut! Do you remember the time back in 2020 when we were versing North Branch? And get this!
I remember?
And they threw the
I
cans at us!
remember?
And they threw those cans at us! Hold on. Aren't you at like 19 kids and counting?
10. 10 kids.
Oh, give me a break.
Oh my gosh, I look so fire right now. God
I don't
damn
remember
it.
anyone on the city being this bad at ping pong. Other than you.
I'm kind of flames though.
Hey, can you take these off for us?
Yeah, one second, I got you. I feel like I
I kind of thought that was good.
I don't remember Emily City being so bad at everything they do.
Dude, yeah, for real.
So hot here.
Yeah, it is.
You're from North Branch?
Mine.
I'm out of here.
Oh,
See you.
Will you marry me?
Ew, no!
Saw that coming.
Bye!